To mark the 148th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Meghalaya Chief Secretary D.P. Walang administered the pledge for Rashtriya Ekta Diwas today at the main secretariat porch with the presence of the government officials. National Unity Day, also known as Rashtriya Ekta Diwas, is celebrated annually in India on 31st October. For 2024, the National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Diwas theme is the Raigad Fort. This day serves to promote national integration, unity and harmony among citizens, reflecting Patel's vision of a united India.
Known as the Iron Man of India and addressed as Sardar, which means chief or leader. He was one of the founding fathers of the Republic of India and the architect of modern political India, which was made possible by the vision and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country.